What if I told you that your muscle strength isn't slipping away because you're aging, but because no one ever told you how to stop it? Most people over 50 begin losing muscle without even realizing it. One day, you're lifting grocery bags with ease, and the next, you're catching your breath halfway up the stairs. It doesn't happen overnight, but when it does show up, it feels like it came out of nowhere. The truth is, once we pass the age of 50, our bodies quietly begin to retreat from the muscle we worked so hard to build. You might catch your reflection one day and feel like your strength has faded without warning. It's frustrating, even a little sad, but you're not alone. Health expert Frank Suarez once explained that this slow decline in strength is a natural process called sarcopenia. It affects nearly 1 in 3 adults over 60. Your muscles become smaller, weaker, and less reliable, not just in the gym, but in everyday life. Getting out of a chair, walking uphill, carrying groceries. Things you used to do effortlessly can start feeling like a challenge. But here's the good news. This isn't a permanent condition. Muscle loss with age is common, but it's not irreversible. And what most people don't know is that you can start turning it around in as little as 7 days. No, it's not magic. It's nourishment. The right foods can act like a reset button for your muscles, recharging them after years of slow depletion. Imagine climbing stairs again without holding the railing. Imagine lifting things without needing help from your grandkids. That kind of strength doesn't require extreme workouts or expensive supplements. It starts with simple, science-backed foods, ones that Frank Suarez often emphasized in his research on aging and nutrition. And believe it or not, these changes can begin in just 1 week. So if you're ready to reclaim your strength and mobility, you're in the right place. I'm about to show you 6 delicious, everyday foods that work like natural fuel for your muscles, joints, and recovery. These aren't fads or trends. They're real, proven tools for fighting age-related weakness, so you can feel strong at any age. Before we dive in, take a second to drop a comment and let us know where you're tuning in from and how old you are. Hearing from you gives us the motivation to keep sharing valuable health and nutrition content with the Senior Boost community. Let's begin. Food number 1, cherry juice. As we move through our 50s and beyond, muscle strength naturally begins to decline. It can feel discouraging, even disheartening, but here's the surprising part. Something as simple and refreshing as cherry juice can help slow that process down and support your recovery. This vibrant red drink is more than just tasty. It's rich in anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds with strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help reduce the wear and tear that aging places on your muscles, offering real, science-supported benefits. They help protect against muscular breakdown and can ease soreness, especially helpful for those who feel stiffness or fatigue after simple activities like walking or gardening. In fact, a study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that participants who drank cherry juice regularly regained muscle performance 24% faster than those who didn't. That's not just impressive, it's practical. For seniors dealing with muscle fatigue or delayed recovery, that kind of boost can mean a more active, independent life. Even more fascinating, cherry juice has been shown to support muscle strength directly. Over time, it may help you walk longer, lift heavier, and feel more stable on your feet. But there's another benefit most people don't expect: better sleep. Cherries naturally contain melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. Drinking a glass of cherry juice before bed can help you fall asleep more easily and experience deeper rest. Why does that matter for your muscles? Because quality sleep is when most muscle repair happens. If you're tossing and turning at night, your body doesn't get the chance to rebuild the way it should. By sipping 1 glass of cherry juice about 30 minutes before bedtime, you may wake up with less stiffness, better energy, and more comfort in your joints and muscles. So if your goal is to maintain or rebuild strength after 50 and support better sleep and recovery at the same time, cherry juice is a smart, simple, and effective place to start. And if you think that sounds promising, wait until you see the next food. It's equally powerful and might just become your new favorite. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just creamy, delicious, and satisfying. It's a powerhouse when it comes to preserving and rebuilding muscle, especially for adults in their 50s and beyond. As we age, protein becomes more than just a dietary need. it becomes essential armor against muscle loss. And this is exactly where Greek yogurt shines. What makes Greek yogurt stand out from regular yogurt is its protein density. With nearly double the protein content, about 15 to 20 grams per serving, it provides your body with the high-quality fuel it needs to maintain lean muscle and stay strong. But the kind of protein it contains is equally important. Greek yogurt is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids into your muscles over several hours. This steady supply is perfect for in-between meals or before bedtime, when your body is repairing and rebuilding itself. For older adults, spreading protein intake evenly throughout the day is crucial. It helps slow the natural decline in muscle mass and supports recovery after physical activity, even if it's something as simple as walking, gardening, or stretching. Greek yogurt fits seamlessly into this strategy and makes hitting your protein goals not just easy, but enjoyable. There's real science to back this up. A study from the University of California found that seniors who included Greek yogurt regularly in their diet experienced up to a 15% improvement in muscle strength within just 8 weeks. That's a significant boost, especially when it comes from something so easy to include in your daily routine. But Greek yogurt offers more than just muscle benefits. It's also packed with probiotics, friendly bacteria that help support your digestive health. As we age, our gut health becomes more sensitive and slower to absorb nutrients. Probiotics help regulate your digestion, enhance nutrient uptake, and reduce bloating, all of which support your body's ability to process the food you eat into usable energy and strength. Want to get even more out of your Greek yogurt? Add a spoonful of chia seeds or a handful of berries like blueberries or raspberries. This simple combo delivers fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fats, turning your yogurt into a mini meal that fuels your body, supports joint health, and provides natural energy to keep you going. Whether you enjoy it as a refreshing breakfast, an energizing midday snack, or a light evening bite, Greek yogurt is a smart, protein-rich food that can help you stay active, strong, and resilient with age. Now let's move on to another type of food, one that's warm, hearty, and comforting, but also quietly powerful when it comes to muscle preservation. Number 3. Starchy vegetables. As we grow older, maintaining steady energy throughout the day becomes a bigger challenge. That sluggish feeling after lunch or the sudden fatigue during a short walk can make it harder to stay active and support healthy muscle function. This is where starchy vegetables truly shine. Starchy vegetables like sweet potatoes, pumpkins, and even regular potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates, your body's preferred source of long-lasting fuel. They also deliver dietary fiber, antioxidants, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals that support your muscles from the inside out. Unlike refined carbs that burn out quickly and leave you feeling drained, these slow-digesting vegetables provide a steady, sustained energy release. That means fewer energy crashes and more strength to support your muscles throughout the day. A report from Harvard Medical School highlighted that older adults who eat starchy vegetables regularly tend to experience less muscle loss over time. That's because these foods help regulate blood sugar, support metabolic function, and fuel your cells for repair and growth. Essentially, they provide the energy your muscles need to work efficiently and to bounce back faster after physical activity. But the benefits don't stop there. Starchy vegetables also support heart health, digestion, and overall cellular vitality. Nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene work together to reduce inflammation, support nerve function, and promote smoother, more coordinated movement. And they're incredibly versatile. One of the easiest ways to enjoy them? Roast sweet potato wedges with a little olive oil and sea salt. Not only is it delicious, but this method helps preserve their nutrients and makes for a satisfying side dish that pairs well with any meal. Here's a simple yet effective nutrition tip. Start replacing refined carbs, like white rice, white bread, or regular pasta, with starchy vegetables. Over just a few days, you may notice more consistent energy, less bloating, and improved muscle response. These aren't just filler foods. They're functional, strength-supporting staples that deserve a regular spot on your plate. So if you're looking for a natural, wholesome way to maintain energy and protect your muscles, starchy vegetables are a must-have. And what's even better is that they're affordable, easy to prepare, and incredibly satisfying. Now, get ready, because coming up is another everyday food that not only boosts muscle strength, but may also help you recover faster, reduce soreness, and feel more capable in your daily activities. Stay with us. You won't want to miss what's next. Number 4. Scallops. Scallops are far more than a gourmet delicacy from the sea. They're a powerful muscle-nourishing food that becomes especially valuable as we age. When you're over 50, maintaining strength, flexibility, and overall movement can become more challenging. That's where scallops shine. These tender shellfish are loaded with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, a combination that directly supports muscle repair, recovery, and inflammation control. Every serving provides your body with essential building blocks that help regenerate muscle fibers, ease soreness after physical activity, and support mobility. What makes scallops stand out is how easily your body absorbs their lean protein. It's highly bioavailable, meaning it gets used quickly and efficiently to rebuild and strengthen tissue. The omega-3s they contain play a major role in calming inflammation and protecting muscle from age-related breakdown. In fact, a study from Spain's Institute of Nutrition found that older adults who regularly consumed omega-3 rich foods like scallops retained up to 12% more muscle mass compared to those who didn't. That kind of difference can mean better posture, faster recovery, and greater ease doing everyday tasks, from standing up to walking at a steady pace. This is incredibly important because age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, can gradually reduce strength and steal your independence. Omega-3s are a natural defense against this. They also help maintain joint flexibility, muscle tone, and heart health, all key to staying active and energized. Incorporating scallops into your diet just once or twice a week can have a noticeable impact. One simple and delicious way to prepare them is to pan-sear scallops in olive oil with a touch of garlic and lemon juice. This enhances both the flavor and nutrient absorption, especially the heart-healthy fats. Pair them with a side of leafy greens or roasted vegetables, and you've got a balanced, muscle-supporting meal. Scallops aren't just tasty. They're a smart, satisfying food for anyone over 50 who's serious about staying strong, mobile, and resilient. Their ability to promote faster recovery, preserve lean muscle, and support long-term health makes them an ideal part of a healthy aging diet. Now, if you found that tip helpful, keep watching, because the next food isn't from the ocean, but it might surprise you with its powerful impact on muscle strength and daily energy. Number 5. Buckwheat. It may be small and often overlooked, but buckwheat is one of the most underrated foods for maintaining muscle strength as you age. While it's often grouped with grains, buckwheat is technically a seed, and it comes loaded with nutrients that support your body's endurance, repair, and resilience. What makes buckwheat truly special is that it's a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild and recover, something that's rare in plant-based foods. This makes buckwheat especially valuable for older adults who are cutting back on meat or exploring more plant-forward meals. Along with protein, buckwheat is also an excellent source of slow-burning carbohydrates. Unlike refined carbs that spike your blood sugar and leave you drained, buckwheat provides steady, long-lasting energy that helps fuel your body throughout the day. This is particularly helpful for maintaining stamina and focus, especially if you're staying active with walking, stretching, or light workouts. Buckwheat also supports your recovery in a deeper way. It contains magnesium and zinc, 2 key minerals that aid in muscle relaxation, reduce cramping, and help your body repair tissue after movement. Magnesium helps muscles release and recover, while zinc supports immune function and promotes muscle regeneration. Together, they work to keep your muscles performing at their best. Even more impressive is its impact on blood sugar. Stable blood sugar is essential for energy, brain clarity, and physical strength. Buckwheat helps regulate glucose levels naturally, reducing the likelihood of sudden fatigue or weakness during activity. This makes it a powerful ally for sustained muscle function, especially in your 50s, 60s, and beyond. A study published by Harvard Medical School found that older adults who regularly included buckwheat in their diet experienced up to an 18% increase in muscle strength over 3 months. That's a significant gain from such a small dietary addition. But the benefits don't stop at muscle strength. Buckwheat also has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to protect against the natural decline in muscle tissue and joint function that often accompanies aging. It's a simple way to support your entire system, from strength and stability to long-term vitality. The best part? Buckwheat is easy to prepare and incredibly versatile. Use it as a swap for rice or pasta, or toss it into salads and soups for extra texture and nutrition. It has a subtle, nutty flavor that pairs well with vegetables, herbs, and lean proteins. If you're serious about strengthening your muscles and supporting your energy levels naturally, adding buckwheat to your weekly routine is a small step with big results. It's one of those foods that quietly works behind the scenes, keeping your muscles strong, your energy steady, and your body moving with confidence. And if you're ready to discover the final food on this list, the one that ties all these benefits together and supports recovery like nothing else, stick with me. It's something you can start enjoying as soon as tomorrow morning. Number 6. Whey protein. When it comes to supporting muscle strength with minimal effort, whey protein is one of the most effective tools available, especially as we age. This high-quality protein is known for its fast absorption and complete amino acid profile, which means it delivers exactly what your muscles need to repair, rebuild, and grow stronger after any form of activity. Whether you're lifting weights, going for daily walks, or simply trying to maintain your independence, whey protein helps speed up recovery, prevent muscle breakdown, and promote better physical function. That makes it an excellent addition to any routine, no matter your fitness level or goals. What makes whey protein truly unique is that its benefits go well beyond muscle support. Clinical studies have shown that whey protein can help reduce body fat, improve heart health, and support the immune system. And all of this comes in a convenient, easy-to-use form that fits seamlessly into your day. You don't need fancy supplements or complicated fitness plans to see the benefits. Just adding a scoop of whey protein to your breakfast smoothie or enjoying it as a midday snack can leave you feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to take on the day. And the science backs this up. Numerous studies confirm that older adults who include whey protein in their diets regularly maintain more muscle mass, experience less fatigue, and age more gracefully. It's a small change with major impact. For best results, pair whey protein with a balanced diet and gentle daily movement. You might start to notice improvements in energy, posture, and strength in just a few weeks. And most importantly, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to stay active, capable, and confident for years to come. So don't wait. Start with something simple. Add whey protein to your next smoothie or meal, and take that first step toward building a stronger, more resilient you. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with someone you care about. Your support helps others discover these simple, life-enhancing tips too. And make sure to subscribe to Senior Boost, your trusted source for weekly guidance on senior wellness, mobility, and nutrition. Here, we're committed to helping you stay strong, independent, and full of vitality at every stage of life. Comment below with the number 11 if you're ready to protect your muscles and take control of your health, starting today. Until next time, take care of your body, nourish your strength, and remember, every choice you make can bring you closer to the energy, movement, and freedom you deserve. This is Senior Boost, and we're just getting started.